keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. So, much to the disgust of my partner, I'm going to let you know a bright idea that I've had. So yeah, I've been busy with some lights and I've not done this before, but I've been pretty happy with how the first set that have come out with a new set of lenses and adjusters, and now I'm giving these a try as well. I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to paint the insides here, the chrome black, and also here. And then I've seen somebody online, they've given these a bit of a sanding, so it looks like a bit like a frosted look, which I thought was really cool. So I'm going to give that a go and obviously do the adjusters as well and new lenses, because as you can see these are absolutely buggered. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is check your headlights, and what I mean by that is have a look on the back of them, because there is a date stamp just there, and you basically need it to be pre-June 2002 to be able to split them. When I say split, I mean take the lenses off, because after that date they use, it's known as a permaseal, which basically means that to get the lenses off you've got to cut them, which is not a job for the faint-hearted. So when it's before that date you can use a heat gun. I've used a hairdryer because that's all I had, to basically heat all up around the outside of the lens and then just work it off. So I got a screwdriver in there and sort of just pried it out, and that will allow you to take the lens off. Once the lens is off, you've then got this piece here, which is then also held in by some little tabs, so put a bit more heat around them, and then they will come off just like so, and then that gives you access to the inside of the light. And then you can get to these, which are the adjusters. So to get to those, from memory I think you need to actually, do you know what, I will have a look first and I'll let you know. Okay, so I just had a look, and all you got to do to get this off, since it's already broken on those two, is just to remove this, and then once that's removed, the last bit that it's slotted into, you just sort of remove that, and then this whole piece should come out then.